Mini Detroit style pizzas are a hit at every party with a crispy edge in every bite. Let's start out with a pizza dough. Now I'm using a brownie pan. You can use a muffin pan. I'm going to spray this with some olive oil and weigh out the individual dough balls to 30 grams. Make sure you gently ball up your individual pieces of dough and put them into the pan to rest for a total of 1 hour. After 30 minutes, come back with a little olive oil, squirt that on top, and you're going to gently press down your dough balls. Now this is going to rest for another half hour while you're preheating your oven to 550 degrees. After 1 hour, you can see that the dough has relaxed and you can push it to all 4 corners. Do this for all your mini Detroit pizzas. This next step is optional but recommended. I season my dough balls with a little bit of oregano and then goes the cheese on top. Make sure you go to the edge with the cheese. Now for my toppings, I'm going to go with a little bit of bell pepper, serrano, sauce. You can do the stripe like I'm doing here, or you can just dot it all around. It's all up to you. Use whatever toppings you want. I ended up with half salami and half pepperoni for my mini Detroits. Now into a 550 degree oven for 12 minutes. If yours only goes up to 500, do it for about 15 and let these cool for about 3 minutes before you pry them out and then enjoy. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.